Together we rise, together we climb, building better humans, training your own life.
Today, we're going to have a field day of sorts. In this workout today, we will be moving through 4 different stations, going into kind of some best attempts at a max distance. You'll have 8 minutes to spend at each station. You'll be alternating with a partner, so you'll be working with somebody in order to be able to measure, okay, or help and kind of remove things. The first thing that we're going to do is, well, we'll start at any station, mind you. But the first station we're going to talk about is going to be a max distance standing double broad jump. We're going to have a few measuring tapes here that we can go ahead and lay out. And then what we're going to do is we'll start in the standing position behind that tape. And we're going to go ahead and do a broad jump into another broad jump. And we're going to go ahead and try to stick that landing so that you can measure your max distance in that attempt. Again, you're going to have multiple times to kind of see if you can better your score. And that's why you have a partner. Your partner will help measure, you'll take turns, and we'll go through it like that. Okay? So that's going to be that first station. The next station will be a max height box jump. It'll also be in a stepping box jump. So you get to take one step and see how high that you can jump. All right, so we'll be using some of our stackable boxes. We can use red pads, but you're gonna have the opportunity to be standing, step in, and jump up. So a 1-step box jump for max height. And again, go back and forth with your partner, measure how high that you get, and then continue to the next station. The next station that we have to discuss is going to be a max distance slam ball throw. You could use a medicine ball if you need to, but for durability, we're going to be using the slam ball. And that's going to be a backwards toss. There'll be some sort of cone to signify your starting position. Don't let your feet go and start before that cone. Get behind it, and then you'll take that medicine ball or that slam ball, and we'll go ahead and see how far you can throw it. Your partner will be standing off to the side, and where the ball lands is where you'll measure, not where it rolls. All right, we're going to be trying to move through this kind of area in the in this parking lot to go ahead and try to see how far we can throw a 25-pound slam ball. Our 4th station and final station is a 3-cone drill. 3-cone drill is all about how fast you can move through this. We'll make sure that you're very warm before we start this because we want to make sure that you're safe. But what we'll do is we'll start here. You can choose to go to the right or the left. That does not matter. You will go to one direction. You'll go ahead and run. You'll touch that cone. You're going to run all the way past the middle cone to the other side. You'll touch that cone, and then you'll run to the middle where your time will stop. So your partner should be standing right in front of you. When they call go, they'll start the stopwatch. You'll go ahead and run, tap, run, tap, and then they'll stop the time once you pass that cone. You don't need to touch the middle cone. And that's going to be our 3-cone drill. And again, you and your partner will be trading off as many attempts as you feel like you can get in 8 minutes to get your fastest time. So need a board. You'll write it. You'll kind of take it with you as you write, and then we'll rotate through. All right? This should be fun. Take it as serious as you want. Try to challenge yourself to jump a little bit higher, throw a little further, and then maybe even broad jump a little further as well. This workout is a great workout here in the middle of the week where we're already a little bit tired, a little bit run down, and we'll be able to go ahead and have a little bit of fun with our friends. Enjoy your fitness.